Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a small Dollar Tree haul. So please, if you haven't already, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So for this week's Dollar Tree haul, it was on the rather small side. The Dollar Tree has had lots and lots of decorations for Halloween, but at this time I think I have enough. I did pick up two things more for my Halloween decor. One was this really cute, adorable snow globe with the skeleton inside. They had it in this gold and they also had it in silver. I thought these were so cute. It's pretty sturdy. It feels pretty good. Good quality for $1. I also found this light up LED lit spider, and this lights up in different colors, and on the back it has a small suction cup here. I thought this was really adorable, so I picked one of these guys up. They also had this light bulb and this eye light bulb, but I'm not really a big fan of eyeballs, so I passed on that one. Actually, I lied. I got 3 things in the Halloween department. I also picked up 2 of these solar stake skulls. I'm not sure. I think I have a plan of action for a DIY, so I hope to be able to execute that and get that uploaded soon. And that's what I got these guys for. I was really happy to see they had tons and tons of these LED fairy lights. They had them on the end caps. They had so many fairy lights, and I was really happy to see these, and I do have spares, but I grabbed yet another. These fairy lights are 12 lights, and they take 2 AA batteries that are not included, and I've used these in so many projects around the house and decor items. They work really well. I did pick up one of these candlesticks. I for some reason haven't been seeing them, and I was thinking I might want to do this, spray this black, and add that to my Halloween decor at the house. So that was my plan for the candlestick. The other thing I was super excited to find was in the beauty aisle. They again had these Yes To face masks. I picked up 4 more. They only had them in the Yes To cotton, and these really do help nourish your skin and make your skin feel really cleansed. This is the Comforting Mud Mask. So I recommend always grabbing these all up when you find them at the Dollar Tree, because in Walmart they go for at least double or more the price. We're also running low on hair gel, and they had literally 1 of these monkey gunks left on the shelf. I snatched it up. I would have gotten more had I seen more, because the boys seem to think this works well and we were running low. The Dollar Tree has tons of breast cancer awareness items right now. Really nice. I took lots of video here, you're gonna see. So much stuff. The only thing that I picked up was this pen. I picked up this breast cancer pen, and I just always need pens, so I grabbed one of them. I didn't have use for the other stuff, but look at all the stuff they have, guys. Always needing a lighter for candles or whatever, so jewelry projects when you're burning the edges of things, and that is why I yet again grabbed another one of these lighters, because my boyfriend is always stealing my lighter. Hopefully he will quit smoking soon. And then lastly, the Dollar Tree got in tons and tons of scarves and hats, socks, the socks with the little toes. They got so many things in, the little head wraps for the winter, but I really didn't need any of those things. I actually enjoy sewing them. So I did pick up just 1 pair of these gloves. These are considered adult men gloves, but these are gonna be just a spare for the boys, because somebody's always losing a glove. So I just grabbed that now. They say they're texting gloves. I don't know. This is the Greenbrier brand. We could check it out, actually. Alright, so this is my son's phone just because mine's not around, so let's see if these grays work. Oh, look at that, it's opening the settings. If we want, look, you guys can see here, airplane mode is not on. and now it's on. So you know what, guys? I might even go back and get another couple of spares. These work, and the kids are gonna love these. For $1, you really can't go wrong. I also grabbed 2 of these men's socks. I liked the colors on these. Sometimes I wear these socks for myself over leggings with boots, and so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. I don't know, my boyfriend might steal them, but we shall see. And that wraps up the Dollar Tree haul for this week. I told you it was small, but it is what it is, and I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing the things that I found that I wanted to share with you. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon.